Jai Srimannarayana. 10th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aneka Vaktranayanam Aneka Adbhuta Darsanam Aneka ದಿವ್ಯಾಭರಣಂ ದಿವ್ಯಾನೇಕ ಉದ್ಯತಾಯುಧಂ ಓಂ Bring all your imagination power together to enjoy, experience and imagine the divine universal form of Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is Narayana. You can see billions of his mouths, billions of his divine eyes, billions of his divine ornaments, billions and billions of his divine weapons. All over he is pervaded. Enjoy the divine universal Visvarupam of Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, Oh Srimannarayana, I am trying to enjoy your divine universal form. Please help me perceive, help me enjoy, help me experience your Visvarupam, which has billions and billions of mouths, billions and billions of your divine eyes, billions and billions of divine ornaments, divine weapons. Oh Krishna, oh Srimannarayana, please help me enjoy your divine universal form. Krishna, Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 162nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, the Siddha Purushas who came out from those two trees which were unrooted by Sri Krishna Paramatma, they prayed Krishna Paramatma. At that time Krishna was दाम्ना च वुलूखले बद्धः प्रहसन्नाः गुह्यकौ. That Gokuleswara Sri Krishna was tied by a rope to that wooden pedestal. That Krishna now looking at the sons of Kubera and giving a nice smile and saying like this, Ho Yakshapurushas, Jnatam mama purayetat Rishina Karunatmana. I do know what exactly happened in the past with both of you. Devarshi Narada Maharshi is such a compassionate Maharshi. You were so arrogant. Only to bless both of you, Narada Maharshi gave a curse to you. So in this world, how long any human be in the bondage? Only until sadhunam samachittanam sutaram matkrutatmanam darshananno bhaved bandhah pumsah akshnoh savituryadha. Only when any human gets to have darshanam of sadhu purushas who are completely engaged in me, surrendered to me, and the moment any human gets to have darshanam of such great sadhu purushas, instantly that human will be released from all kind of bondage. Oh Yakshapurushas, not only that, when anyone always meditates on me and surrendered to me, and the moment I give my sakshatkara, my darshanam to that devotee, that human, instantly bandhamunanu చూచిన విరియును కమలాప్తుడు పొడమ విరియు ఘనతమము క్రియన్. All kind of bondages will be released to that man the moment he gets to have my darshanam. Just like when the sun rises, all the darkness goes. Just like that, the moment I give darshanam to anyone, their all kind of bondage will be relieved and released. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma talking to Siddha Purushas, Nalakubara Manigrivas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 10th sloka. Aneka Vaktra Nayanam. Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam. Aneka Divya Bharanam. Divyanekodhyata Yudham. Aneka Vaktra Nayanam. Aneka Adbhuta Darshanam. Aneka Divya Bharanam. Divyanekodhyata Yudham. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.